Joan of Arc. Good morning here in Sagada. We are here in front of St. Mary the Virgin Church. This is the landmark towards Echo Valley, the Hanging Coffins, and the underground river.
You can take pictures there, you can shop, but in going down, no more shopping. Yeah.
This is for what, David? Access fee. We're entering the cemetery.
So we are going to hang coffins. Here you can see the Christianity and non-Christianity. The long coffins and the small coffins.
If I can.
Hey!
Woo!
Echo!
Again. In
Hey!
how about in Dutch?
Echo!
It's also echo.
There are now a lot of tourists coming over here.
And I am doing her vlogging fill-in right now, and she's standing in front of the hanging coffins, and they are amazing. And she is trying to lip sync to what I'm saying right now, and she's doing a very good job.
Do they have family names or just one name?
No, because here we have two names, Christian name and Gurut name.
Okay.
And there's a nickname, middle name. Yeah. My father's name is Kakay, the nickname.
Oh, you carry your father's name as your nickname.
Yes. And my mother's name will go in the middle name.
Nadnaden. So those who have died in natural causes are buried here. This is the rock wall where they do rock climbing. So there's another place, small one, where they would bury their dead. And we're going to Lumiang cave, where there's 500 of them. They light candles for their dead, but mostly they use wood because it gets too windy up here. Our foreigners that were buried here, Albert Watkins was from Hawaii. Unoccupied slots in the burial ground is reserved for their wives. So this is the lookout to the hanging coffins. More coffins down there. You can't really see it in the camera, but they're there. So we're going down there. So there's more coffins on the side of the mountain, but there's more at Lumiang. This is the viewing deck where you could see more hanging coffins down there, but that's not yet the mega burial ground, and we're going to Lumiang caves to see 500. That's what our guide told us. 500 coffins. That's a lot. We are going to the Lumiang burial cave, and to do that you must have to register here, bring your receipt, and follow this path. Trek from here to the Lumiang burial grounds. We are now at the entrance of Lumiang cave.
But when I read the Bible, they are the true Christians. You know why? In the Bible, there are no cemetery. The graveyard is the caves. Where did St. Lazarus and Jesus Christ buried? They buried him also in the caves.
Okay. These are the ashes of the dead. They've been powdered because they've been there for 500 years. The coffins toppled down when Baguio experienced a really big earthquake. And so there's a fence that's stopping them from falling off. More up there and in there.
She has her own travel vlog here, which unfortunately she doesn't have a lot of followers yet, but like traveling around me literally all over the country, and it is so good because she knows like all of this Ilonggo and all these, so she'll give like words of the day and all this, and I'm like, this is such a great travel vlog for people, and unfortunately like there's not a lot of people following right now, but hopefully that'll change, you know. And
I just put it up there.
she's done a great job. So yeah, Joan of Arc from the Hanging Coffins.